What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a good day. We are finally bringing back the Z. As you can see right here in the garage, I got it up on all fours. We finally acquired a transmission, which we got right here. This is a 72,000 mile JK41 out of a HR 350Z. So if you don't know, HR manual transmissions bolt up to a VHR 3.7 liter motor. So I got it for a steal of a deal. I really did play with the thought of buying a brand new transmission because they offer a year warranty, but it's $2,000. So I got this for a quarter of that price delivered to my front door. So I had to just hop on the deal. Spins freely. Got to go ahead and drop the old trans out. So first things first, I'm going to take off the exhaust, take out the drive shaft, drain the fluids, and then proceed to just taking off all the transmission bolts. I like to take off all the transmission bolts, the starter, and then leave the cross member on, so that way once I have enough people here to help, we loosen that last mount and then just pretty much manhandle the transmission down. So I'll set you guys up on a time lapse. It's gonna be kind of hard to see, but I just wanted to, you know, let you guys know that the Z should be coming back soon. Definitely excited. It's been a while. I've missed driving it. So yeah, let's start working on it.
Choice 7.
All right, guys, so I got the drive shaft off and I got the Y pipe off. I left the cap back just because you don't really need to take it off. As you may have seen in the time lapse, I actually needed my dad to come out and press the clutch because since the car's stuck in second gear, you couldn't rotate the drive shaft to take it off, or at least to get access to these bolts. So he had to hold the clutch while I was underneath there, spinning it, taking one off, spin it, take one off, spin it, take one off. Kind of a pain in the ass. But we got that done. Next thing, I'm gonna probably just start disconnecting the harness above the trans, move like the O2 sensor harness, all that kind of stuff, drain it, and then move on to like taking off the starter and any transmission bolts that I can get to. All right, guys, so we got the C-Mac, well, part of the C-Mac off. I just left the slave cylinder underneath the car dangling so that I don't have to bleed it when I put the new trans in. All the transmission bolts are right there. Got those all off. Obviously, I showed you the drive shaft and the Y pipe. So let me just get under here to show you guys. But yep, shifter's out. We got all the trans bolts out. Starter's just dangling there as well. Pushed it all out. Moved the harness over to the right, so the harness is completely disconnected from the trans. And I already starting to see some separation between the trans and the engine. Obviously, I just have it on this cross member here. I'm waiting obviously for a friend because to do this alone probably would suck, and especially on the floor. We need a lift or some quick jacks or something. But anyway, moving on. Yeah, just waiting for some friends to maybe come over and help me manhandle this out, and yeah, should be good to go. right, guys, well, as you saw in the time lapse, we drained the tranny, and yeah, this fluid doesn't look too good, man. I'm sure once I like pour it into something else and we can see all the residue, I'm sure there's gonna be some metal flakage in there for sure. But yeah, we got it all drained out. Trans is pretty much ready to drop. I'm waiting on my friend Zach to pull up so he can help me drop it, and then we'll have it out of the car, start kind of prepping everything for the other trans, and then maybe we can get it in this video, so stay tuned. All right, guys, and as I expected, look at all that little like debris and stuff. So yeah, this trans is hopefully, I mean, we can take it apart and maybe fix it, but it's looking rough right now. So yeah, but all right, let's keep moving forward. All right, guys, well, the homies came out to slide. That's Zach. If you guys don't remember, he has the red GTI that you've probably seen in the videos. That's his new daily. That POS right there got dropped off because the owner said it was giving him problems. You know who you are. And then we got Miguel over there. So yeah, let's drop this tranny and make my car great again. All right, guys, well, finally, as you can see, we got the old transmission out. Pretty easy. I mean, obviously we've done this a few times. It just sucks doing it on the floor, man. I really need to maybe invest in some quick jacks or something, but it sucks doing it on the floor. But we got it out. What's crazy is that it looks so clean because it probably has only 68,000 miles on it maybe, but whatever. We are going to try to rebuild this just for knowledge and seeing if it's savable, because it would be great to have a spare tranny. Pause. But here we are. We got the rest of the C-Max stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that, and then I'll show you when it's a little bit lighter off of the transmission, and then we're going to reinstall it into the new one. So let's get it. All right, guys, so we got the parts off of the old transmission. Here is the Z-Speed C-Mac. I believe this is V3. Got all the bolts here, and honestly, this is like one of the best products. I'll swear it till I'm red in the face. These things are worth the money. It makes your life so much easier, and it's worth every penny. It speaks for itself. So I got the little throwout bearing thing here that you bolt on. Got that off, so I'm gonna go ahead and install that, put some grease on the throwout bearing and on the whatever this is, the input shaft. Oh, pause. And yeah, probably throw it back up in the car.
Joy Savage.
All right, guys, so we got the new transmission in. There's the old one. When you roll it around, you hear some sort of like metal. You hear that? So something's broken in there. But we're gonna move under here. New trans is in, everything's pretty much buttoned up. Just gotta do some like wiring, put in the clips and stuff like that, throw the drive shaft back on, put trans fluid, exhaust, simple stuff. But yeah, she's done. Everything seems smooth, all the gears go in great. Yeah, super excited to see it back, and hope you guys are too. But that's gonna do it for this video. As always, like, comment, subscribe, let us know what you think. Next video we're gonna be driving this thing, so peace out.